The feds want to tax your health insurance. I'm going to talk about it next, here on Copperstone Corner. Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Corner. If you haven't yet heard, the federal government, as part of their budget deliberation, is considering taxing employer contributions to health plans. If passed, this new tax would require employees to report those contributions as taxable income. So I'm going to share with you some details and estimates that we've received from various industry players and insurers on this, and I've attached them to the bottom of this post. So currently, premiums paid by employers for things like prescription drugs and dental care, mental health services, and all the other health-related benefits that you receive are exempt from federal taxation. If the government makes these changes, premiums would now be taxable to the employee, taking billions from working-class employees right across this country. One estimate says that this new tax could increase the tax burden on working-class families by about $1,300 per year, thereby either mostly or completely offsetting the various tax credits given to the middle-class families announced in the 2016 budget. Now, I'm not trying to be political here, but such a change would be completely misaligned with the stated objectives of the government and their goals to help middle-income and working-class families. For employers, it would certainly challenge things like your administrative resources and your systems to not only make these changes, but also to track them. Additionally, things like Canada pension, EI, and other payroll-related taxes and premiums would also increase with this tax. This isn't the first time that this has been either done or contemplated. When a similar tax was introduced in Quebec, 20% of employers dropped their health and dental benefits for their employees. The bottom line is, if benefits were to be taxed, fewer employers of all sizes wouldn't offer their benefit plans, and the ones that do would offer reduced coverage. That puts millions of Canadian families, and I can almost guarantee every working family that works at a small business here in the Valley, at risk of losing their benefits if this tax were to be introduced. At this point, the government hasn't confirmed its intentions. However, I think given the state of our country's finances, industry experts have reason to believe that this is a very real possibility and could be announced as early as the spring federal budget. So this is where your voice is needed. As a business leader and an industry leader, you need to add your voice and demand that there be no new taxes on employer contributions to workplace group health benefit programs. Attached to this post is a link to donttaxmyhealthbenefits.ca. I really encourage you to go there and sign the petition. I also strongly urge everybody to send a personal email directly to Minister Morneau as well as our local MP to give them your thoughts on such a proposal. I've attached their emails again to the bottom of the post. I also want to encourage you to get your employees involved. This tax, if it's implemented, will directly affect them. I have some messaging that you can use to communicate this to your employees, and if you like, just drop me a line. I will send it out to you. Now, we all know that governments react when there is a pushback on any of their proposals, and this is where your voice is needed. Let them know that taxing health insurance has got to be a non-starter. This is an important issue, not only for your business, but also for your employees, and I really encourage you to take the time today and get your voice heard. As always, I'm here to answer any questions, and I do thank you for your attention. I'll keep you updated on this very important topic as it does develop, but encourage everybody, do your part today. Cheers.